What's going on, guys? All right, I've got Mini Market Maker with me today, so she may bring a surprise to the quick video update. So let's have a conversation. Bitcoin, what did she do last night? I mean, come on, man, what has she done? Okay, firstly, fundamental rule about confirmation is what? Wait for it. If it's not there, don't take it. All right, what did we see here? Price comes up to the 50 EMA. In order for us to convict that price was going to continue higher, what did we need to see? We needed to see the 13 EMA cross over the 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. Didn't happen. So we know we're not going to be trading long. Okay? Price didn't even close above the 50 EMA. That's one of the second confluences. Look at them, what they're doing here. Pin to the high, pin, pin, pin. What are they doing? They're working the highs. That means they're taking the guys who believe it's going to continue to rise. All right? Taking their orders and making them be committed by keeping price within this zone. Then what happens? They break the psychological low, they break the pivot point, and then they drop. They bring price all the way back down to the range daily low. Notable volume hits. Doesn't completely take and finish the whole candle. It comes straight back up. All right? Which, funnily enough, is the Brinks box. Which means they could be setting up price for New York to step in and make the retrace back up towards the 50 on the 1 hour time frame, which sits with it sits consistently with the formation of a W pattern. Okay? Price has come back down to this low zone here, but the RSI is giving me a different story. Okay? We are seeing divergence. Outside the volatility band, back inside the volatility. We are now... Sorry about that, guys. I just thought I heard my daughter choking then. Price is coming back into and above the range daily low. Whenever price hits the range daily low, you always expect a retrace away from that point. All right? One thing that we need to consider is this, guys. Look at this zone. The vector candle. The final vector of this whole range down here. Look at how close they sent price towards it. Now remember, always trade the vectors if they are quite close. If they are quite close, then there's a good chance that they may send price back towards it. All right? We are very extended in today's price action. Look at the long length of the Asian session range. Very long range. That is a manipulative range. Okay? You ideally want to have these smaller ranges. Okay? Smaller range where there's clear-cut price action, market makers stepping in and doing their business. All right? This is a run for profit. This move right here, they are trying to induce so many traders to, get trapped on the longs, get trapped on the shorts, okay? And they're doing a very good job of doing so. Now we've got this vector candle right here. We are waiting for this W formation to come back into the fray. All right? Notice I have adjusted this W formation. We will keep adjusting until we see that they are going to start to bring price back up. If they don't, we know one thing, that they will always do a retrace back towards the 50. If the W doesn't print or if it doesn't formulate, we know price is going to come back to the 50. All right. Then when it comes back to the 50, if it comes down back, if it drops back down and it doesn't take the second part, the first leg of the W formation, we will know that we are in a W formation play. All right. Then we will be waiting for the shift volume to come out of the zone. There are two instances that you can trade, guys. Remember, you hear me saying, I like to trade the development of the pattern. And then by that point, I would have been done. I would have achieved what I wanted to achieve. And I just let the pattern play out, whether it goes in my favor or not. We always know that price is going to deviate back into the mean. Okay? And the mean is the 50 EMA. All right? We do have the vector candle down here. We do have to take consideration to the following. Look at this. What are those two zones? Well, this is a vector candle. All right? On the 4 hour time frame. Vector candle on the 4 hour time frame. This is a gap in price. Now, we are here. That is there. We only really want to start paying attention to this point if we start breaking down here and here. All right? Until we break these 2 points right here, there's no interest for us to even pay attention to this point here. I am showing you because A, it's the range weekly low as the gap, and that is one of the last remaining vectors that I can see on the 4-hour time frame. All right, because price is quite close. Now, what do we need Bitcoin to do? We need Bitcoin to actually come away from this zone and move higher. All right, you can see now that in 6 minutes time, in 5 minutes time, a new 4-hour candle will be printed. They've rejected the lows here. A new 4-hour candle will be printed. It says 10 minutes, all right, which I should get this video out to you. Now, if you've got MT4, you will see that new candle get printed. This is where it may or may not make the difference on whether this pattern continues to develop. All right. Price has come back outside from the volatility band. It's back inside, outside, and back inside. We've got a W formation in essence on the RSI right here. It's come back now to test the market signal. Ideally, we want to see a bounce back and go above the market base. All right. Remember, that's the 4-hour time frame. It's going to take a little while for that to show. All right. Now, I know I haven't really focused on Ethereum. All right. I'm going to take a quick look. What's happened? What's happened? Oh, okay. She wants to get on her bike. Give me a second. Sorry about that, guys. Her bike hurts her foot, and she's nowhere near her bike. So, that makes sense. But anyway, yeah. Ethereum. She's doing exactly the same thing. All right. You can see from last night's Asian session that she sure trapped up a lot of people. Big green vector. Okay. Remember last night I was talking about evening star pattern? Yeah? Evening star pattern. Look what's happened. Because had we have not seen this green vector here, had we have not seen or paid attention to the 13 EMA crossing over the 50, all right? Had we have not stuck to the idea of confirmation candle, all right? We would have got trapped in going long here. We would have been trapped. Which is why it's so important that you add confirmation to confirmation. Stick to the criteria. That's how you protect yourself. All right? A lot of volume happening in and around this zone. Daddy. Yes, darling. So she wants me to help her reverse. I will get this video update to you guys. Bear with me a second. Sorry about this, guys. She's working me out today. She really is. Okay. New 4-hour candle appearing on Ethereum. Okay, so we've got to proceed with caution with that. But you understand what I'm talking about with the confluences. All right. So important that we pay attention to a set criteria which is designed to help us and protect our accounts. All right. Now, I'm going to get this video update to you, all right, just before my daughter then decides to do anything else. But I'm going to try and keep you posted throughout the day. I'm tired of hearing my name. Man, Monday. This is why I can't trade, guys. You got that bell in the background. Daddy, daddy. Oh, God. Anyways, guys, listen. Mad love to all of you. Sorry if the update isn't as in detail as you want it to be, but I'm conscious of my daughter and you guys listening into that in the background. She ain't stopping now. She's going to start getting very aggressive. All right. So mad love and respect to all of you. Please forgive me, and I will speak to you guys later on. Peace.